How to install Raw Accel on Windows. If you would like to install Raw Accel on Windows, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. You just have to open up your browser, whichever browser that you use. In the search bar, just type in Raw Accel download and hit the search button. Once you do that, you'll find many links from GitHub, which is the official source, where you'll find the website rawaccel.net. So simply open up that link from their browser. Once done, you'll find the download link from the top right hand side. Once you go to download, if you scroll down, you can see downloads for different type of options. So if you're on Windows, click on the download icon that you can see over here. A zip file will be downloaded to your device, and once done, you can simply go to its file location. Now, you want to simply right click and then extract WinRAR using WinRAR of that particular file. Open up that file, and once done, you can simply run Raw Accel as you can see right over here. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then run the installer, and then from there you can simply press any key to close this window. This way you'll be able to install Raw Accel on PC. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.